Apologies for the state of my hair in this video and probably all the rest of the videos for the summer. I've been going in the lake every single day, sometimes twice or more a day. So if you're wondering why my hair looks like a hot mess in every video from now on for the rest of the summer, that is why. Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a healthy vegan meals video. I was gonna say recipe. I feel like there is so much disagreement in the health world as to what exactly is healthy, and I think that that just leads to a lot of people feeling really confused if they want to eat a healthy diet and live a healthy lifestyle. There are so many conflicting ideas and ideologies and opinions on what is healthy. So in this video I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit about what healthy means to me, and then I'm going to show you some of my favorite healthy vegan meal ideas. So I think about this in just a really simple way. To me, healthy means balanced, and I really feel like if you are taking lots of plant foods and creating a home-cooked meal with them, putting lots of love into it and putting just a lot of thought into what you're making and making sure that the ingredients are from the earth, then you're going to end up with a healthy meal. I don't really stress out if I use a store-bought sauce that has like some added sugar or a lot of sodium or something like that, because to me it's all about balance, and it's just all about creating meals that make you feel good, listening to your body, and eating what feels right for you. So all that being said, that is everything I have to say for now, so let's get into it. To start off this recipe, you are going to cook some noodles. You can use whatever noodles you like. You can use rice noodles, brown rice noodles, regular wheat noodles like I'm using. You could use gluten-free noodles or those bean ones made of like chickpeas. Honestly, you can use any type of noodles that you like. Just pick your favorite and cook them according to the package directions, and then just drain them and set them aside. Then in a medium frying pan on medium heat with some oil in it, or you can use water as well, you are going to cook some onions, carrots, and red bell pepper. And then I also added in a little bit later some frozen green beans and frozen peas. And I just added those later because they are already partially cooked, so they don't need as much time as the fresh veggies. So then you are going to add some yellow curry paste. This can just be bought at the store. Just make sure to read it because some of them have fish sauce or sometimes shrimp paste in it. So again, just make sure to read the ingredients. But this is just the Thai Kitchen yellow curry paste. It's really good. And you want to put about 2 teaspoons of that into your pan, and then add some nice full fat coconut milk. And then you can also add a little bit of soy sauce and maple syrup, and I also added the juice of half a lime, and I just like how this makes it a little bit sweet and tangy. I find it goes really well with the curry flavor. So I didn't want to add too much coconut milk to make it soupy. I just kind of wanted enough to be a sauce. So I added in a little bit at a time, and then I just put in the cooked and drained noodles and stirred them around, added in some fresh spinach right at the end, and just cooked it for about another minute so that it wilts. And that's it. Then I just served it into a bowl and added a little wedge of lime for decoration. For this recipe, you want to start off cooking some quinoa. So I do double the amount of water to quinoa, and then I bring it to a boil, and once it's boiling I turn the heat down to low so that it simmers, and then just put a lid on top. In a, again, medium frying pan on medium heat with a splash of water, I added in zucchini, carrots, and red bell pepper, and just put a lid on top of that to help it steam. And then while that was cooking, I made the almond butter sauce. So I did a big spoonful of almond butter, and then about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce,
a tablespoon of maple syrup, and a teaspoon of sriracha. And this is just kind of like a rough estimate. I really just use kitchen spoons for this, but it doesn't have to be exact, and I'm pretty sure I make it differently every single time just based on what I have on hand and if I'm feeling more of like a salty sauce versus a sweet, but that is the general idea of the sauce. And then again, just before serving, I put in a couple handfuls of spinach and give it about a minute to wilt. And then after that, I added the sauce on top and stirred it around. I probably only cooked it for about 30 seconds to a minute with the sauce just to heat it up. Put that on top of the quinoa, and I added some black sesame seeds, which are really good for you. Sesame seeds actually have a lot of calcium for being seeds, so that's kind of cool. And then I also added on some red pepper flakes just for a little bit of extra heat.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I also wanted to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Skillshare. Skillshare is an online platform that has hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of amazing video courses that range from anything from like interior design to cooking to painting to photography. It's a membership-based platform, which is amazing. So you don't actually pay for individual courses. You pay for a monthly subscription, and then you get access to the courses that they have to offer. It has really helped with my videos and my photography skills, but there is something else that I am so excited to show you. So I have gotten super into painting, and I've only ever used acrylics, but I really wanted to start painting with watercolors. And so when I started working with Skillshare, I looked up their painting courses, and I found this one that was how to paint crystals and gems in watercolor. And I'm gonna show you guys what I painted because I'm so proud of it. So I painted this crystal, and I literally learned how to paint this when I had never painted with watercolors before. So I am just so excited to take more of their watercolor courses. Yeah, obviously I'm really into Skillshare, and I really want you guys to try it out. And the lovely people at Skillshare are giving you guys 2 free months of a membership and take all of the courses that you like. You could take the painting course that I did. I will link it in the description box below, like to the exact course that I learned how to do this in, because I know a lot of you guys would probably be interested in this too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!